In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 3 single crochets, 3 increases, and 3 single crochets in turn. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Let's start. 1 chain stitch first. Yarn 1 hook. Put the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. Then work 3 single crochets. Insert hook into the first stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn 1 hook and pull through both loops on the hook. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 2 more single crochets in the same way. Then work 3 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet first. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 2 more increases. Okay, 3 increases are done. Then work 3 single crochets. Three single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Remove the marker. Insert hook into this marking stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn tight and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second loop on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Let's start. 1 chain stitch first. Yarn 1 hook, put the yarn through the loop on the hook. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish 12 single crochets in total. Start from the first stitch. hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn hook, put the yarn through both loops on the hook. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 11 more single crochets in the same way. Okay, 12 single crochets are done. Finally, work one snip stitch in the first stitch. Remove the marker. Work one snip stitch in this marked stitch. Round 5 is done. Yarn hook and pull the yarn out. Then break yarn. Repeat rounds 1 to 5 twice. Break yarn for first leg, while the second leg without breaking yarn. Break yarn and leave an end. Tighten the yarn. That's the first leg. Please repeat the stitches of rounds 1 to 5 once more to make the second leg. The second leg is completed. We are going to join these two legs. First, work 2 chain stitches. Two chain stitches are done. Then we are going to work snip stitch to join two legs together. First, find where to insert the hook. Insert hook into this V shape, which is on the left of the yarn end. Insert hook into this stitch to finish one snip stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. Two legs are now connected.